Subscribe to Frankie TV, guys.
Yes, that is a must.
Right, like, share, and subscribe.
Alright.
Which one of them store you sell the berry general?
Beret?
Yeah. That one there, but it not open yet.
That one I won't go.
Okay.
Sell them what?
No man, more one for beat.
What color?
You have no bad one in there? What the price on them?
I don't know a good price. I only want to sell them 12 bills.
12 bills.
Yeah. I'm going to get it.
More two one.
What color?
When for pull? More see a bad one man. We can draw my brain. Yeah. Very hunt, you know, Frankie TV still I get the exclusive, you know. Yeah. I have to check it out. What it is all about. Yeah. Yeah man. Pull out the phone. Very on.
Oh, you know, sir, I left Martin and I'm going a while ago. You know, two left on the work and I move fast. You know, I'm not a master, man. I'm not a master. Oh,
Yeah man,
yeah, man, I look good.
I don't see nothing on the top. You see nothing?
Yeah, man, I'm glad to. Think the most in there, that's story.
All down to now. You see a berry, you know. Yeah. Come on.
You're mad, man.
Show the place, bro.
You're mad, man, now. You're mad, I was there with a Beret now.
Exclusive, station. You can see here, get it exclusive in our house. Yeah. Downtown, you know. And a berry hunt. All this store exclusive. Store this, you know. Trying to TV in our house. Food spot set. We'll get exclusive. Yeah. All the place set. Yeah man, this is all downtown, look, you know. Come on, you get your food and you get everything, all inclusive. Check it out. Like that. Oh, it's black.
It's a bird. It's an orange.
Orange.
Purple.
Purple.
And it's a grey.
Grey. Okay.
the color we use to, you know?
This is the black you say.
Yeah, these are the black.
What is that is? 12. So my price, what you say my price?
Blue, man. Not grand. Right, is that YouTuber?
YouTuber boy.
Well, I realize.
Check for the army green. If they don't have the army green.
Let's bring back the black?
Yeah.
Alright, not far.
Yeah. Come on, wait. Size up on the black?
No, one size.
One size fit all?
Yeah, one size fit all. I remember them span it.
Yeah.
But I'm boy, but it's too loud.
Load, man.
Yeah, them color them
bury them, look.
The
old.
Them beat, yeah, man. Them color.
And anytime when I come down for it, I want to look to this.
Yeah, man, being is fashion, man. My house here, man. Yeah, man, you know the street, man. Downtown. Very nice, Charles. Don't have to.
Outer road, you know.
Yeah, man, no joke.
Yeah, man.
Eh? What is it, brother?
Stop me. You see? This is not the police rider.
Oh, the black look. And the material.
Yeah.
The black material. More sharp, more expanded.
Yeah, pick up the shoe.
Original. Yeah. Looking at your glass.
And feel the black. Which one are them?
Try on the black.
And the black, yeah.
But I love that color look more durable. Black one. Oh my word, that one.
No man. Color you fit me better, don't you?
Yeah, see black, that one like a wash out the street. But I like the black.
You like the black?
No. You know, I'm sure it's done. Yeah, man, I use that.
It's $1.
$1. Yeah, man, I use that.
Big up the signature.
Yeah, man, I have to do that every day. Yeah, man, being is fashion, man, out here, down at town, all of the latest fashion here. We that, right on last week, no joke. Oh, enough love, yeah, every time.
Alright.
What's your channel name?
Frankie TV, subscribe, you know.
TV.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
For real, you know.
Yeah, man, no joke, man.
Alright. It's a berry, you know. Oh, that's fine. Everything work, you know. Don't I show you there. Alright, that was the berry hunt, you know. Frankie TV, I get exclusive footage of the street set downtown. Yeah, man. Very on that, you know, as you can see inside there. So here we go now, one way.
Here, man, go.
Alright, more head up.
Uptown?
Yeah,
Alright, just go up that road, second left turn,
yeah.
and go across the stoplight and just go straight up.
Alright.
We have a new Kingston crossroad.
Crossroad.
Yeah, man, just go across the stoplight and go straight up to the repair side.
Alright, bless up here.
Yeah, man, every time.
Alright. Exclusive, you know, as you can see. Place set. man, that was the Beret hunt. Man, that was the Beret hunt. Frankie TV I get the exclusive. What it is like. Yeah. Yeah, man. Little pricey, would I get it cheaper if we went into the store, but you know the style said we have to patronize people and make them feel happy, you understand? Yeah, man. How the place set, man. Frankie TV I get it exclusive. Check it out. Yeah, man, that was the end of the Beret hunt.
Alright, man. Frankie, big up, you know.
Just like
Subscribe and like.
that. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Real thing.